Hello dear children, this is class 9th maths class. In the previous class you have learned chapter 3 about compound interest. Now we are going to learn new chapter number 9, triangles. In this chapter we will see relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Here we will see some of the important theorems related to this topic. First theorem tells us if all the sides of a triangle are of different lengths, its angles are also of different measures in such a way that the greater side has greater angle opposite to it. In this triangle, in triangle ABC, it is given that AC is greater than BC, BC is greater than AB. So angle opposite to side AC is equal to angle B, and angle opposite to side BC is angle A. Angle opposite to side AB is angle C. So according to this theorem, the greater side has a greater angle opposite to it. Now second theorem tells us the converse of the first theorem. If all the angles of a triangle have different measures, its sides are also of different length in such a way that the greater angle has a greater side opposite to it. In triangle ABC, it is given that angle C is greater than angle A and angle A is greater than angle B. So side opposite to angle C is AB, side opposite to angle A is BC, and side opposite to angle B is AC. So AB is greater than BC and BC is greater than AC. So according to this theorem, the greater angle has greater side opposite to it. Now third theorem tells us if any two sides of a triangle are equal, the angle opposite to them are also equal. Conversely, if any two angles of a triangle are equal, the side opposite to them are also equal. In triangle ABC, it is given that AB is equal to AC. So angle opposite to these two equal sides are also equal, means angle B is equal to angle C. In fourth theorem, we will see if all the sides of a triangle are equal, all its angles are also equal. Conversely, if all the triangles of a triangle are equal, all its sides are also equal. In triangle ABC, it is given that its all sides are equal. It means AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. It means its all angles are also equal. It means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Or if all the angles are equal, then their all sides will also be equal. It means if angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, then AB is equal to BC is equal to AC according to this theorem. Now we will see some important terms related to the triangles. First, median. What is median? The median of a triangle corresponding to any side is the line joining the midpoint of that side with the opposite vertices. In triangle ABC, from vertex A, a line AD is drawn in such a way that it bisects the side BC into two equal parts. So AD will be the median of triangle ABC. Similarly, BE is the median because BE is a line drawn to AC in such a way that it bisects AC in two equal parts. So BE will be the median. CF is a line which is drawn to AB in such a way that it bisects AB in two equal parts. Therefore, CF is the median of this triangle. Next, the important properties related to the median. The first property is the point of intersection of a median is called the centroid of the triangle. Therefore, G is the centroid. See, children, in this triangle ABC, there are three medians. In a triangle, remember it, in a triangle there will be three medians. In this triangle, all these three medians are intersecting each other at point G. So G will be the centroid of this triangle. Now, next point is the centroid of a triangle divide each median in the ratio 2:1. In this triangle, you will see that AG ratio GD, that is equal to AG is equal to 2 and GD is equal to 1. Similarly, BG ratio GE. So BG will be 2 and GE will be 1. CG ratio FG. So CG will be 2 and FG will be 1. Next term is altitude. What is altitude? An altitude of a triangle corresponding to any side is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex to that side. In this triangle ABC, AD is a line which is perpendicular to BC. So AD will be a altitude. Similarly, in this triangle, B is a perpendicular line drawn to AC. So BE will be known as altitude. Now the property related to this altitude, the point of intersection of the altitude of a triangle is called the orthocenter. Here O will be the orthocenter. Why? Because children, remember, in a triangle there will be 3 median and 3 altitude can be drawn. So in this triangle, all these 3 altitudes are intersecting at a point at O. So O will be the orthocenter of this triangle. Now children, we will see the next topic about congruency. Whom we will say congruent. The triangle are said to be congruent to each other if on placing one over the other they exactly coincide. It means if you will put one figure to the another, it will cover all its shape. For example, all the pages of a book is congruent to each other because they all have equal shape and size. So they are congruent. Now there are some criteria or rules to make the figure congruent. First, SSS, which is known as side side side. Whom we will say side side side. By this we can say that the triangles are congruent. It means if 3 sides of a triangle are equal to the 3 sides of another triangle, then both the triangles will be congruent to each other. Second rule is SAS. It means if 2 sides and including one angle of one triangle is equal to 2 sides and including one angle of another triangle, then both the triangles will be congruent to each other. Third property tells us that ASA. It means if 2 angles and including one side of one triangle is equal to 2 angles and including one side of another triangle are equal, then both the triangles will be congruent to each other. Next, AAS. It means 2 angles and one side is equal to the 2 angles and one side of another triangle, then both the triangles will be equal. Fifth one is RHS. It means right angle, hypotenuse and side. If right angle, hypotenuse and one side of one triangle is equal to right angle, hypotenuse and one side of another triangle, then both the triangles will be known as congruent to each other. So children, today this much only. Next topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you and take care.